Hello everyone, I hope you're all okay. Welcome to OoniZoni kitchen. So today I'm making banana cake in a cup. So to make banana cake we need 2 tablespoon banana, 4 tablespoon flour, 1 tablespoon vegetable oil, 1.5 tablespoon icing sugar, 1 tablespoon regular milk, 1/4 teaspoon baking powder. So let's get started. So here I'm using regular teacup, banana, sugar, flour, now mix. Now we add vegetable oil, in this case we add milk, now we mix it well. Now we add baking powder, vanilla essence, 1/4 teaspoon in chocolate, so the batter is ready. Now with the help of tissue, clean the edges of the cup. Now microwave it for 1 minute 30 seconds. Now delicious and healthy banana cake is ready.